What's misunderstood with ERPs is that, first of all, they're big investments, right? A lot of decision went into choosing the right ERP for the business. So
Yeah.
a lot of promises are made during those sales cycles. And and when they get implemented, the businesses believe, okay, we got to figure it out. But the problem with ERPs is they focus on enterprise-wide assets and finances. So an asset in an ERP isn't necessarily the individual machine, the production line, or the individual laborers that are operating those production lines. It's usually like the site or the plant as a whole that the ERPs take into account, or high level amounts of materials that those facilities have. They do not on their own, the ERPs, track the finite minute by minute capacities of machines and labor, nor the consumed materials at each and every plant. And that's where APS comes in. And in fact, I think what a lot of businesses don't realize is you've already made this investment in ERP. One way to amplify the return on that investment is by getting complementary systems like an advanced planning and scheduling system, because the ERPs can now ingest the data that they don't have, that the APSs do, to provide users with the goings on at the plant. And then with the tools and the reports that ERPs have, they can now turn that additional data that they're getting into high level strategic narratives that the business can use for broader decision making. So in this way, it's not so much that ERPs and APSs are butting heads or competing, they're really complementary systems that amplify one another.